Welcome. In front of me I have ZTE Axon 11 5G, and I'm going to show you how we can connect Bluetooth device to your smartphone. So at the first we have to open the notification bar and just activate the Bluetooth, and if it is activated just click and hold it. And right now we are in the Bluetooth settings, and do the same on this other smartphone that you are using. Enter the Bluetooth, turn it on, and here we have to click on the pair new device. And right now they are looking for each other, so we have to wait. And as you can see on my Android phone, I got here our ZTE Axon, so let's just tap on it, and it also shows my Huawei here, so we can tap here and just accept the pair on the both devices. And as you can see right now, they are currently connected. So that's how you can pair the Bluetooth device to your ZTE Axon. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.